Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of JusChek. You can see this here. JusChek alcohol rabbit test dipstick. It's a urine-based test for the alcohol reduction. You can see that this is the product. You can see this is the product. I can just show you around. This is a C certified product. Here you go, I can just show you more details here. It's a JusChek alcohol rabbit test dipstick. Using the urine samples, it contains 50 dipsticks. You can see the reference part number and also the lot number. On a standard, you have 2 years of expiry period. It's a C certified, and you can see 50 test kit in the pack. Right here, just here. You can see this here. This is manufactured in the US. Okay. I'm just going to unbox this for you. This gives a sticker. I'm going to do that. Okay. There you go. See this here. Inside you can see IFU brochure. Here you can see that it says JusChek alcohol rabbit test dipstick urine. A rabbit one-step screening test for the semi-quantitative reduction of alcohol in urine for forensic use only. You can see this has this brochure has the complete details to conduct the test, how the procedure is done, how to interpret the results. So you have the complete details of in the brochure actually. Yeah, here it is. You can see this. You have the complete details here. Just putting the brochure here. And inside you can see the 50 cassettes. Cassettes in the sense strips actually. Yeah. You can see that's a fully nicely packed. You can see this here. It's nicely packed. You can see the C certification on the back side. You can see that. You can see the alcohol color chart. It says alcohol rabbit test dipstick urine. You can see the lot number and expiry period and manufacturing location. So this is like you have 50 strips here. I will just take one more here from this. You can see the 50 strips. You can see that on this side here. Okay. You can see this here. If you look at this is. You can see the 50 strips inside the box. Basically, if you look at this is today we are seeing the unboxing of JusChek brand made in the US for the alcohol test reduction urine the dipstick using the urine sample. The box contains there is one IFU brochure and 50 strips, dipstick strips. This is how the total kit looks like. Okay, thank you.